start.
This is a storage tank for cadavers, for dead bodies. You can in the formalin you can preserve these. There are two windows for this. Lids are there which are liftable from hand. These are made for transportation. Covered by all these are covered by transportation. This is all made by the stainless steel. You can put it on the side, and then on the when the bodies can be put in this, even 4 can be put in. You can put this lever is there, keep it. On the other side is also one of the similar one. The same also lifts up, and then you can take out the body or keep it here. And then formalin, this is for keeping the dead bodies in the formalin. Please visit the website and visit our channel www.abronexports.com or info@abronexports.com. We have got these items, and this is a mortuary single body storage tank for this is body. Here we have the cooling system. It freezes the body, and this full length body can be. This is only for transportation. These can be removed, and on the side there is a one clear view window is there. This hole can be separated. Is only for transportation. This view is visible inside. Then you can check, and this is also having a compressor and cooler system, so it can be used as a display as well as for storing the mortuary coolers. We have got 2 body, 4 body, 6 body, 8 body coolers are with us. Please visit the website www.abronexports.com and subscribe to our channel and send us your. We have got full medical equipments for all labs. Thank you very much.